There are a variety of assets that are available in Blackbird that are automatically generated or user-created once your media has been ingested. Video and audio clips ingested through Blackbird are known as rushes. The icon attached to the rush looks like this. If the rush is audio only, the thumbnail will not contain the content's image. However, an audio waveform will be displayed instead. Still images ingested into Blackbird, such as JPEGs or PNGs, will generate an icon that looks like this. Once a rush is put into the Blackbird timeline and saved, the clip type is called an edit, and the icon attached to the edit looks like this. Other types of user-created clips include a pinned timecode clip. This clip type is generated by dragging from the source or edit viewer's timecode window to any location in the browser. Notice the name and timecode value. When you reload this clip, it automatically parks at the timecode location you've selected. Rushes that are grouped together as multicam will display a multicam icon. When these clips are loaded, they will show the camera angles embedded in the rush. Additional metadata files can be imported and generate clips. Closed caption and AAF files will arrive as an edit, and the thumbnail will be depicted as the file types, as seen here.